Hello guys, welcome back to MJ Crypto, and like I always do, I backtest my strategies. They work perfectly for me. I come here, teach you the same exact thing, hoping you do what I've taught you and get the same exact result. Okay, my name is Emmanuel and I'll be teaching you how to spot trend reversals. Okay, if you are new here, kindly click on the subscribe button. This is a new channel. I want this channel to grow, okay, to grow into something big and a larger community for us all to enjoy free Binance futures trading strategies. Okay, so right here I'll be showing you how to spot trend reversals. Okay, now trend reversals usually happen when there have been an uptrend or a downtrend. Okay, trend reversals are kind of like the most sought out data for day traders. Okay, day traders, I mean those who just go into the market, search for a trend that has been existing and then trade against that trend. Now, I'm not saying you just see a trend and you just start trading against that trend. No, you look for the spot where the trend ends. So we'll be finding out about that right in this video. So now, the very first thing you want to do is to figure out where the trend started from. Okay, in this video you can see here we're on GMT BUSD, and the trend actually started from here going upwards. Okay, it actually started from here and it ended here. Okay, and then a reversal happened. Now I'm going to teach you how to spot this reversal. Now in doing this, there's what we call the double top pattern. Okay, double top means that a trend started. Okay, it started building momentum, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and then all of a sudden it stops here. Okay, it stops here and can no longer continue a higher high. Okay, it can no longer beat the previous highest price. That is what we call a higher high. All right, so now once it stops here and retraces back again and tries to beat it but then couldn't, just know you've gotten a double top pattern. Now a double top pattern is telling you that there's no much momentum for the buyers to push the price up. That is why you see a heavy resistance at this level. Okay, so it's telling you there's no much momentum in the market to push the price upwards. Now let's see what the Bollinger Band tells us. So you can see the Bollinger Band here. The price actually came off. It actually came off the bands here. Okay, but now let's not talk about Bollinger Band because we're actually going to be using a free chart, okay, without any indicator. Okay, I'm going to turn this off right now. I'm going to turn this off. So it's actually a plain chart. Okay, but I'm just using the Bollinger Band to show you a typical example of what I'm saying. So you can see here higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then higher low, but it couldn't beat this 0.84513, and then it retraced back. It retraced back here, tried to go up again, but it couldn't. It tried again and it couldn't. And then the price came down. You can see here the price came down from here to here. Now once you spot this, you simply just go for a short position. All right, a short position. You take a short position and then set your stop loss just right here above the previous highest high, which is 0.84513, and then set your take profit with a risk ratio of 1:2 or 1:3. In other words, you are risking 1% of your capital and then trying to get ×2 of that amount. You can set your take profit here. Now you can set your take profit around this region. Now the reason why the trend reversals are actually very important for day traders is because it enables them make so much money. Now I'll tell you a secret. Most of the money being made in the financial market come from trend reversals. Okay, most of the big guys, they come from trend reversals. As I speak with you right now, BTC is hovering around $42K. Right now, a lot of persons have been waiting. Let it just cross 42, rather let it cross 43,000, and then we'll take a long position, because they know there's a high resistance there. Now, once you can spot an area of what resistance or support. Okay, resistance is is just a zone that prevents the price from going up. Okay, and support is a zone that prevents the price from going down. Now, once you can spot a very high zone, okay, of resistance, and there was a trend before. Now, take note, we started here, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. There was a trend, right? And then the lower low, the higher low came here and couldn't go up again to beat the previous higher high. Now you know that there's what? A high resistance here, and you take a short position. But do not take a short position without knowing that there's a trend. Okay, a reversal only works when there's what? A trend. If there's no trend, then you are just trying to trade against a ranging market, and you find yourself in trouble. So ensure that there's a trend first, all right, before you take a reversal. So this is about trend reversal. That's what this video is about. If you do like what I'm doing right in this channel, I want you to smash the subscribe button right now. Share this video with your friends. Like this video, drop a positive comment. If there's anywhere you want me to adjust, put it right there in the comment section. I'll reply ASAP. All right, so cheers guys. I'll see you in the next video. I'm going to be talking about other strategies that you can use to make consistent profit trading on Binance futures. Okay, so right here we just talked about double top and how to spot your trend reversals. So guys, see you soon again.